Hi, I'm Aaron Muller, the president of Mr. Pressure Wash. We are an eco-friendly commercial pressure washing company. My partners and I established Mr. Pressure Wash in 2008 because we saw that the industry lagged behind other industries in terms of environmental compliance. We wanted to change that since pressure washing can really pollute the water system. We developed technology for cleaning and recycling water that was years ahead of industry standards. Part of our mission was to educate the community about how to clean green. We do this by raising awareness of the environmental standards the cities and state require. It's been a bit of an uphill battle, but we see progress every day.
Hi, my name is Mayumi, and as Vice President of Business Development for Mr. Pressure Wash, I seek out potential customers who are concerned with the environment and then educate them about our product. I left a Fortune 500 company to work at Mr. Pressure Wash because I believe in its community-focused, eco-friendly mission. When I communicate with my customers, I am proud to describe our water capture and recycling systems. I look for companies that want to make a difference by using our green technology to clean.